Hi, I am back. I want to show you what's going on in our system that we've had running for a couple hours over here. I know you've been anxious. So, as you can see, there are no more solid cubes of water. There's no more ice. This is actually like pretty lukewarm right now. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. So if we look down into this bowl here, I'm going to go ahead and remove that bowl so I can show you guys what's in it. It's going to be, oh my goodness, it is hot. So, keep that in mind. And let me just show you here. It's clear. That's clear liquid. And Hydrosol is typically clear. If it is like tan or colored in any way, it probably means you have plant material sitting inside of that bowl, and in essence you're making tea. So that's how you can basically just determine that you're truly making hydrosol, is that the liquid that you're making should be clear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the bowl that I had on top carefully and I'm actually going to dump out that warmer water. I'm going to put in some more ice and run the system for another hour and see if I can get some more hydrosol out of there. And then I'm going to just turn everything off, let everything cool, so I don't burn my little digits again when I go to pour out that hydrosol. And when everything's cool, I'm going to pour it into a clean mason jar. Let it come down to room temperature, and then label my mason jar and put it in my refrigerator so it's easy to identify for later use. But hopefully that inspires you guys to make some of your own hydrosol. Again, you can use that for all sorts of things, from a face toner to a cleaner if you're, making hydrosol with, say, pine, hence pine sol. Go figure. It is a very old way of making a very useful material out of an abundance of plant material. So I hope this inspires you. If you have any questions, just go ahead and type them down below and let me know if there's any other things that you're interested in learning. I'm probably going to be putting together an actual course for people to learn how to make creams and lotions and lip balms and learn some safety around aromatherapy and essential oils. If you don't know yet, I did develop an app a couple years ago called Essentia, ESENTA. It's the Aromaticum app. It's currently just available on iPhone systems. I'm looking to make it into more of a workbook too for people, so that people can learn how to blend essential oils safely for themselves and their loved ones. So I hope this was fun and useful for you guys and inspiring, and that if you have mint or lavender or an abundance of yarrow or an excessive amount of a very aromatic plant, that you consider making it into hydrosol, because it can be wonderful for the skin and wonderful to clean the home with and wonderful to make into tasty beverages. But if you have any questions, hit me up, and I look forward to creating more videos for you guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon.